for me, this one was the nicest one, especially because we did it.
So today we are back with another episode of How Hard Can It Be? And today it's a very interesting one. We're doing a cooking workshop. This cooking workshop is specifically for Syrian food and it's held by the Erasmus Sustainability Hub. So I'm really excited to see how it plays out. Especially, I've never had Syrian food in my entire life, but personally I enjoy cooking. So I'm really interested to see how to cook Syrian food and actually trying out the food for the first time.
And with our participants, we are just cooking some national Syrian dishes that we made vegan. And for this time, it's also a fundraising event. And we are going to send our ticket profits to the earthquake appeal in Syria. So today we are making muhammara and hummus. Those are like dips, and I think they're really popular in the Netherlands as well. And we are gonna have them with some vegetables and some pita chips. And our main course is lentil pasta with onions, lentil, and just some greens.
I just help out like cutting some carrots and cutting some like bell peppers and also helping out with the pita bread and everything. It smells so good in here. I wish you guys can actually smell it. What did you guys have to do to like prepare the food?
We had to cut several things like the onions. We prepared lemon, we squeezed the lemon.
So that we're going to put everything together with some herbs and I think some pomegranate seeds. So we're going to make a type of mixture between a pasta and a lentil soup.
Which one is your favorite so far?
I don't know how to pronounce the name, but for me, this one was the nicest one, especially because we did it.
Well, I was gonna say the salad, but I cooked it, so I really like this orange hummus. It's really good.
It was quite easy, I guess I would say, because there was like the set of the recipe and everything, and we just kind of have to follow it. But then the tricky part is that you kind of have to adjust the taste according to like your tongue. I love cooking personally, so this was like a very enjoyable experience, and I would rate this a solid 6 out of 10. It's really not that hard. It's just because I'm a bit unfamiliar with the recipe or like with the dishes. That's why it can be a bit tricky to just get the taste in. But other than that, it was good. So how hard can it be? Not too hard. Just gotta try it out and see.